हेलो गाइस। आज जो है हम लोग रियल पैंडेमिक की सिचुएशन है दैट वी आर गोइंग टू रिव्यू व्हाट इट इज लाइक इन इंडिया राइट नाउ. Let me just wear my mask because it is very very dangerous right now. So I'm just going down the stairs quickly and I'm going to show you the whole society is empty right now. You can't even hear any children playing. बच्चों की भी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है कहीं से. सब सन्नाटा करा हुआ है. So let me just go down and see what we can find. What is the situation like? It is evening time. इस टाइम पे the whole society is crowded. भरा रहता है पूरी तरह से. But right now the situation is very very bad. One person I have come into contact with. Even the lifts are empty. So I've just reached downstairs. Now this is the whole society area. That's my car over there. But we don't want to take the car right now. See, the whole thing is empty. Completely empty. पूरा खाली है. Guards बैठे हैं. ट्रैफिक बहुत ही कम हो गया है पूरे इस पे. हम देख सकते हैं ट्रैफिक एकदम. मुझे लग रहा है केवल इम्पोर्टेंट लोग निकल रहे हैं. अभी बाहर निकलना भी डेंजरस है. बट लेट्स सी कौन क्या कर रहा है. ये स्ट्रीट पूरा भरा रहता है नॉर्मल टाइम्स में. बट राइट नाउ द होल streets are empty. Everybody is scared right now. And I can see the shops over there. The shops are completely. You can't see anybody over here. The shops are empty. Every shop is closed. You can see all the shops are closed. Even in the shops. I don't know how people are surviving, man. This is not USA or Europe people. If you can just see from here, all the shops are closed. सारी दुकानें बंद हैं. Every I don't know how people are surviving. They're surviving maybe on the savings they have. So this is bad. This is bad. All these people, they're not very rich people. They're middle class people. They survive somehow by running their businesses. Maybe a few people are rich, but most of the people, ज़्यादातर लोग गरीब ही हैं. और इन लोगों की सबकी दुकानें बंद हो गई हैं. कब से दुकानें बंद है भैया? हाँ बंद है. खर्चा कैसे चल रहा है इन लोगों का? आप लोगों को पैसा मिल रहा है?
मेरा तो
दूसरा दिन ही है.
कहीं छोड़ कर आया हूँ, कहीं मिलने ना पड़ा.
गरीब लोगों का क्या हाल है? आपको क्या लग रहा है? हाँ बुरा हाल है ना. So we can see, you know, the people, he was telling me that the poor people are not doing very well. The malls are all closed. So there is one I'll try to show you the Habitat Center. If there is, if any people are there, but I doubt, the whole situation is bad. Even to get milk, दूध और सब्जी, even to get milk and these vegetables, the situation has become very bad. We can see a few people over there. These are delivery boys. We can see the delivery boys. Let's go. Let's see if they let us enter inside the mall. So there are no street lights here. If they can let us enter inside the mall. And we can see the sign. It says mall entry closed. भैया एंट्री बंद है क्या? एंट्री बंद है. खुल रहा है मॉल? मॉल खुल रहा है यहाँ?
नहीं भैया बंद है भैया मॉल।
कभी मतलब
नहीं भैया बंद है भैया।
पुलिस कहाँ पे है?
बंद है।
पुलिस वालों ने भी आए थे क्या यहाँ पे?
नहीं भैया पुलिस वाले भैया कोई नहीं आते।
तो यहाँ पे सब पूरा मॉल भी बंद है। So this is like one of the prime locations in Delhi NCR, and you can see the situation over here. I don't know if I take you by the car, I can take you by the car, but this is going to be a situation around the whole neighborhood. पूरा neighborhood ही बंद है, सब कुछ बंद हो गया. The economy is gone. So I don't know what to say, man. Maybe it can, you know, we can continue for 1 month or something, but situation is just it is going to be very bad for the poor people, especially middle class के लोग तो कुछ टाइम तक survive कर लेंगे, लेकिन गरीब लोगों का क्या होगा? जो people who eat food by earning daily, just consider the rickshaw walas and the auto people and all these people, what is going to happen to them? So this is bad, but at least we have the food delivery on, so the food delivery has not been stopped. The guards are working. So this is the society. We are back in the society. I want to take you on a drive. Maybe in the next video I'm going to take you in the drive. The traffic is low. They've not put a complete lockdown, so the cars are running, but the situation remains good. You know, abhi ye pura, you know, we had a lot of these maids working, and all this was buzzing with people. Now we can't see anybody in this society. At least in this block, at least 30 to 40 people were infected. In this whole society, a lot of a son and a father, both of them died. दोनों मर गए इसमें, एक बाप और एक बेटा, दोनों मरे हैं इसमें. There are a lot of deaths also in this society. Actually, I'm scared of the whole thing. Right now the situation is okay, so you know, I am not that scared in the society, but you never know. The amount of deaths there, it's crossing 4,000. 4,000 के ऊपर जा रहा है every day. See the whole society, nobody. You know, now the situation is a bit coming down, but this is for the whole world to see. You can see all the poor, and this is not of this society only. All the societies, the prime societies, it's like this. Nobody. This in evening time, people used to buzz around. That mall we went in, that was buzzing with people. The economic activity has gone down. The daily wage workers, just think about them. They earn 100, 200 rupees a day. That means like $1 or $2, and they're not earning that much. And what about all the maids? So many women work. So this is bad situation. We've got the left says for residents only. So we've got different, and they've put this small sticks over here, so we don't have to touch it. We can just, but I don't know how successful this is going to be, because people have just, you know, escaped. Let me tell you, I have also escaped from coronavirus. I had the COVID, but thanks to God, I did not have to face so much problems. So this is the end of the video. I'm going to go inside the lift. Thank you very much. Take care, guys. I hope situation comes to normal in India. Bye bye.